What bitch ass country are y'all from where they got this bullshit at?
Florida.
I knew it.
Nothing wrong with riding a bike. It's eco-friendly and good exercise. But I prefer driving my Kia Soul to work and showing up on time, showing up dry, not all sweaty. Maybe that's why I don't own a bicycle. I don't own a bicycle. I can't keep a bike boy's affection. No, I can't hold a bike boy's attention. Fuck 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 a bike boy's attention.
As advanced warning, a red square will appear in the lower left corner of the video 5 seconds prior to and all during potentially troubling material.
I think the fuck not.
What I have. You know what it is, don't you? It's a videotape. And you know what's on the videotape? It's bad stuff, man. It's sickotating. It's the kind of stuff my mom said I should never look at. But Ryan...
My mom's not home right now. Do you want to watch with me, Ryan?
Hit it, video man.
Okay, no, I want to see the footage. I want to see the footage. No, I want to see the footage. I want to see the footage.
You ever just walk out your house and fucking crank that Soulja Boy for the one time or what?
You ready? You ready to whip that dick out? Whip that dick out. Whip that dick out. Whip that dick out. You whip that dick out. That's what I'm talking about. You whip that dick out. That's what I'm talking about. When you whip that dick out, yeah, you know I'm coming round. Yeah, you know I'm coming out. Yeah, that is my dick now. He running now. I'm chasing him. Yeah, there ain't no saving him. Look at him. He asked for it. Peeping how he swing the dick. Everybody know when I pull up, pull them dicks out. If it ain't big, then I finna pull my stick out. Cause when the dick's swinging, yeah, you know I swing and bang it. Yeah, you know I bag and tag it. On the dick, I gotta have it. Remix that dick, I flip that dick, I grip that dick, I liked it. I fuck that dick, jump on that dick and ride it. Yeah, I liked it. Yeah, don't try and fight it. You liked it.
God set you up!
You liked it. Coming for that dick, boy. Coming for that dick, boy. Yeah, you know I'm a hit, boy. Yeah, you know it ain't shit, boy. It ain't shit to me, you just dick to me. It ain't shit to me, you just dick to me. You ain't shit to me, you just dick to me. You ain't shit to me, you just dick to me. Whip that dick out. Whip that dick out. Whip that dick out. Whip that dick out. He whip that dick.
Grind, mad grind. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, grind.
I'm talking about. Whip that dick out. Whip that dick out. Whip that dick out. Whip that dick out. He whip that dick out. That's what I'm talking about. He whip that dick out. That's what I'm talking about. Talking about. Talking about.
Alright guys, that's about all the misogyny that I could stand for one day. I think I'll go ahead and end the video here. Please share it with a friend if you thought I made some great, cogent points in this video. I don't know what cogent means. I should probably look that up. I think it means kind of like terse and informative, maybe? I don't know. In any case, thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit that like button. It makes me like you.